Hello and welcome to another Wilderness Tamed video, and in this one we're going to be looking at robots taking over from gardeners. Now this is a splendid looking lawn. It's clearly been well fed. It's cut to just a good height without being scalped. Nice and soft to walk on. Let's have a closer look. There, that's what. I don't know, about 5 centimetres in height, which is ideal. Nice and soft. And it's been maintained by not me, but a robot mower that I mow by Stihl. This is an RMI 422 PC. Snuggled up in its little docking station after a hard day's work. Yes, I've got to trim those edges that have grown in amongst the perennials. But overall, looking across this lawn, this little robot mower, it's made a massive difference just in the couple of months that I've been coming to this garden. It's improved dramatically. So in one season, it's I think it's what everybody's sort of idea of a formal lawn is, what people mostly aspire to. I mean, it's completely artificial. It's a monocrop of a few grass species. And yes, there's no stripes to it. There's little trundly wheel marks going off in all directions, but they're not noticeable. It's not like a heavy roller's been over it or anything. But, and of course, it doesn't have a grass box. It doesn't collect the clippings. So everything it cuts goes back in and refeeds the grass. Tiny, I mean, I can't find any little bits. Tiny little cut ends of grass, all falling back in and all feeding this and keeping it looking lush and healthy. Yes, like all lawns, it will need scarifying and aerating, but that's kind of general lawn maintenance. But all in all, that's a pretty splendid looking lawn, if a splendid looking lawn is what you're aiming for. So anybody with a sizable area of grass who, like me, doesn't particularly enjoy pushing mowers back and forwards because it's boring, then I think a worthy investment would be a robot mower. I mean, I'm all about wildlife friendly gardens and doing things in a sort of more traditional manner. But I have to say, what I've seen results wise from these little machines, it's all been really good. So yeah, I'm full of praise for them. It's one case of a machine putting me out of a job I really don't mind, because as I say, I don't enjoy mowing lawns. It's boring. I prefer the more interesting stuff, like the herbaceous borders and the ponds and the shrubs and trees and things like that. So yeah, impressed. Well, I hope you found that interesting and eye-opening, as I have. Over the last few years, as I say, visited many gardens where people have invested in these robot mowers, and they all say the quality of their grass has improved dramatically within a season. They've sacked off the quarterly lawn treatment folks who used to come round and spread granules of fertiliser and spray weeds and all that sort of thing. With a robot mower, no need for that. All you would do is, again, have it aerated and scarified, but you would do that with any lawn if you were, conscientious about your lawn maintenance. So yeah, until the next one, crack on.